Welcome back, guys. As you can tell by the title, we got a live one. I'm way too excited about this for a lot of reasons, but let's just get right into it and show you this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you my brand new to me 2006 Crown Victoria Interceptor, yo. She needs a little work. This baby was the crown jewel of the Ephrata, Washington Police Department. This freaking thing had so many people cuffed and stuffed in the backseat from 2006 to 2011, we probably couldn't count it. Now, I know I said cop car, and there's not much left cop car-wise besides that performance tune-up Ford did back in 2006. And that spotlight, that doesn't work. But it's still a cop car. And I know you're like, oh, wow, you guys might be like, oh, it's just the Crown Vic, but you know what? It's different. It's my Crown Vic. Now, I can't lie. There's a couple reasons why I purchased this. First off, I've always wanted one. I mean, I feel like anybody into cars has gone through a Crown Vic phase deep down inside them. They looked at one and they're like, I want that thing. For some reason, I can't really explain it other than like it's just a big, comfy car with a V8 rear-wheel drive. I mean, like, if you're a high schooler that's into cars, I mean, why do you not own one of these? They're dirt cheap. They are. Case in point, I bought this thing for $500. That's the number 2 reason why I got it. Number 3 is this thing. With me sending my other CTS back to Iowa and having this thing on jack stands, still waiting for the heads to get back from Texas Speed. I know I got other stuff to do up front. You guys are probably wondering why I haven't started on it yet. There is a reason for that, probably in the next video or the video after that. It is a damn good reason, so please stay tuned for that. I promise it's a giant reveal you're going to love. Or at least I'm going to love it. I don't care if you don't like it. I'm going to love it. This thing's out of commission for now, so I got to get to work somehow. Why not in style? For those of you that have never been into one of these, let me oblige you. Oh. We got room for days. And I'm a large person, so like it says a lot about how much space you got in here. My back doors don't work. We don't need to worry about the back seat. I was really hoping this thing had a cage when I bought it, but clearly it doesn't. We got a Kenwood radio though. Look at that. That works. I am going to head on over to the title office or DMV or whatever the hell you guys have in Washington here and register this thing so it's legal, so the police don't take it back. And then we're going to clean it. Because I got to be honest, B would refuse to ride in this, or she did refuse to ride in this yesterday when we bought it because of how grimy it is, and B's bougie like that. So yeah, let's go get that taken care of. Man, driving this thing makes me want to freaking pit somebody. I wish a mother would, dude. Hot pursuit. Hot pursuit. I feel like Elliot Stabler whipping this John, bro. All right, we got our first fill up. The gas gauge doesn't work in this, so yeah, you just gotta, be careful and guess. On another note, $5 a gallon. Most places, this place is $4.79, but yeah, $5 a gallon here in Washington. What are we doing? Is this California? It's crazy. Boom. $70. All right. Over 14 and a half gallons. Let's get back on the road and go make this thing legal. Oh, holy shit. The gas gauge just came back to life. What the hell did I do to the camera? Whoa. What are we doing here? All right, we're officially legal. Don't mind the beeping. That's just let me know the airbag's about to go off. Did I mention this was $500? Yo, can we revisit that real quick? This was $500. Now, originally he said this has a problem with the gauge cluster up here. It's probably got a loose ground or something, but apparently the coolant gauge and the gas gauge inadvertently goes out. But yeah, $500. I mean, I thought the days of $500 cars were like long gone. especially running and driving ones. Because, like, I don't know if you've seen Marketplace lately, but wow, people want a lot of money for lots of hunks of tons of paperweights out there for over $1,000, over $2,000, $3,000. Like, you people are nuts. But anyway, let this be a lesson to you. If you're having troubles finding a very cheap car that you want to drive, don't get online. Just hop in whatever you got. Get on your damn bicycle and go ride around town and see what somebody's got posted in their yard. Because that's exactly how I found this. Found this parked on the side of the street with a for sale sign. Called it up. $500 later, we got us a Vic. We got us a cop car. Can't make this up. All right, it's really windy out here, so hopefully you're not getting wrecked by the audio. But we're going to do one final walk around here before we take it to the car wash. Because I have a feeling that this thing's going to lose a lot of paint. Kind of hope it does. Make my life easier in the future. Yeah, let's take a look here. I mean, and I guess we'll see how well it cleans up. But yeah, this stuff's all bubbled up, and especially here. Oh yeah. I don't know. We'll see. I've never used this car wash before because I'm more of a touchless kind of guy, so this might beat the piss out of it. I hope it does. Get all this paint off of here. That's full walk around of this thing. Yeah. She do be a unit. You know, I think this thing's going to clean up pretty nice, honestly. We'll see. Let's get to it. All right, moment of truth here. Getting it going. I don't know. Hopefully, don't get wrecked. This looks intimidating. Be easy on her. This ain't no exorcist wash like the one in Texas. Oh yeah, clean it up. I wonder how bad these things would hurt getting whipped by them. Oh no, my mic died. Or tell them last time this thing's been clean. Sounds like a turbine. I'm gonna blow my wipers off. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I don't see much difference in how it looks. The chips, this survived. We got some rust runs. Just baked onto there. Yeah, I don't know. Holy, the license plate's gone. What the hell? Alright. Good thing that ain't mine. This thing's got some stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the wheel and the dash, see what we got going on here. See if we can bring some life back into this. Well, alright. That's honestly expecting worse. Give me that. Couldn't figure out what the hell this was. Ew. Okay, I think I've touched about everything I can from the driver's seat. I probably shouldn't have done it that way. I probably should have went and got some detailing brushes to make my life a little easier instead of just trying to shove these Armor All wipes into all these cracks to wipe out the dust and stuff. It would have made my life so much better. But I was fully committed, so screw it. But I'm gonna go ahead and utilize this free vacuum and finish out this passenger side real quick and then go wipe down everything back at the house. So see you there. All right, there's one last thing that we need to grab real quick that's gonna take this thing to a whole nother level. What are we going with? Should we go classic black ice? New car, of course. Bag secured. All right, we about to start sending it with this scrubbing of the seats and stuff. But I thought I'd put out here a little free advertisement. I'm selling this trailer. I think I'll post it on Marketplace for like $1,200. But I mean, I'll let it go to a subscriber for $1,000. I might even let you sweet talk me to $800. I just need it gone. So I really don't have like what I'm actually supposed to use, but I got this ceramic protectant meant for the plastics and so like, I mean, wet's wet, right? It's just dirt, it'll get out of there. I mean, yeah, it's working. I don't know if you guys see it, look at that line. Okay, well the protectant's working, but it just happened to take a lot of it to really get through some of these stains, so I'm gonna make up some soapy water and get back to it. Okay, this will probably do better. Where I started. Yeah. Makes me kind of wish I was wearing gloves. Oh well. Okay, I think this one's about as good as it's gonna get. I can go over this back again here in a sec, but I want to do a before and after on this baby. We'll get a good look at this. Okay, well, we got a couple stains that are pretty hard to lift right now. I can't get it over there, but I mean, I think that's a pretty big difference to what it was. I just gotta clean the sides of the seats because those are disgusting, but this thing is cleaning up pretty nice. We're having a nice little blue collar rig. And there you have it. A little bit cleaner of an interior, still a lot to go, but a lot better than what it was. I don't even know. Again, should I slam it? Alright, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, get this shut up, so we can end this video with, in my opinion, the only right way to end it. Let's go do a burnout. As always, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you're as excited as me to have a cop cart in the fleet. We'll see what we end up doing with it. But I guess let's do this burnout, and I hope you smiled.